In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a background of a photo in one click using Adobe Photoshop. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop, check out my free Photoshop course at the bottom of this video. So this is the photograph that I want to remove the background. So in my Finder window, I'm just going to say open with Photoshop. You can also just drag it into Photoshop. So when I open this photo in Photoshop, I automatically see this little bar down here. This is called the Contextual taskbar. If you don't see this bar, you can go up to Window, Contextual taskbar, and turn it on and off. But right here, there is a Remove Background button. So I'm just going to click that. In one click, we can remove the background. And you can see in my layers panel, what it did, it actually just created a layer mask. So if I wanted to see my background again, I could just remove this layer mask by right-clicking it and say delete layer mask, and I would see the background again. So now that I have a file with no background, you could go up here to File, Save As. So if you want a transparent background, you would need to save it either as a Photoshop file or a PNG file. If you just want it with a white background, you could go to Save a Copy and save it as a JPEG, a PDF, any file types here you want. If you want to learn more about Photoshop, check out my free Photoshop course. Link is in the description below. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Photoshop tutorials. Thanks so much. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop, check out my free Photoshop course at the bottom of this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to vectorize a photograph using Adobe Illustrator.